possible and sponsored by Edify, and then it is supported by ETAO. ETAO is ICT Teachers Association of Uganda. So this is the program of e-learning. You are all welcome. My name is Teacher Tony.
You are most welcome, Teacher Tony.
Yes, so I am going to be taking you through Mathematics Primary 4. So we are going to be learning, we are going to be discussing mathematics now.
Teacher.
So, okay, we can continue. Thank you. So I'm going to be taking you through Mathematics Primary 4, and we are going to learn a lot today. So we are going to begin with our first topic of Primary 4 third term. That's what we are going to start with, and that's what we are going to learn. And when time goes on, we shall learn a lot from the topic. Good. We shall learn a lot from our topic. Thank you. I can see some people giving me a lot of comment. Monica is there, her testimony, and Joy is there. Thank you, wonderful children. So in math, we are going to discuss we are going to talk about measurement. When I talk of measurement, this is a theme. It involves so many topics under it. So under this measurement, we are going to have this topic called money. You can imagine, topic called money, that means it is the topic that we are going to learn. This is the topic that everybody has idea about money. Even a young child of 2 years, those ones who are already talking, they know money. They have idea about money. That's what I know. So I want to pose just a simple question. And when I give you a question, please, you just give me your hands, and then you unmute yourself, then you talk. So the question is, since we have brief idea about money, what is money? What is money, class? What is money? Yes, I can see very many hands up. I can see very many hands up. Some people may put for me the definition of money in the chat. That is good, so that I can be able to pick. Now today I'm going to pick randomly. You may put up your hand and I may fail to pick you. You get? So let me pick randomly. Okay, I have there Angulo. Yes, Angulo, can you give us the meaning of money? What do you understand when we talk about money?
Money is the medium exchange of
yes, Angulo.
Money is the medium exchange.
Okay, I think the network is cutting you. Yes, Angulo. Okay. Yeah, I think he was giving the right answer, and I know most of us, we have heard the answer that he has said. I want somebody to repeat it clearly. Let's try from Joseph. Yes, Joseph, can you also say yours, and we compare?
Money is the medium exchange of goods or services.
Okay, that money is the medium exchange of goods and services. Very good. When we talk about money, that is, all your answers is correct. Money is the medium of exchange of goods and services. It is in the middle there. The medium of exchange of goods and services. That's what we call money. Now, let me try to explain briefly. Now, when we talk about goods, these are things that we go and buy, maybe from the market, we go and buy maybe from the supermarket, from the shop, and so on. So things like laptop, if you have bought a laptop, that is an example of goods. Do you just go and get laptop for free? No, you have to exchange it with money. You give the person who is selling laptop money and you take the laptop. You give the person who is selling salt money and you take the salt. That is when we talk about services. Services, for example, education. Right now, I am giving you service. I am teaching you. So after teaching you, Etao will give me some money for my service. Edify will give me some money for my service. So that is why we are saying money is the medium of exchange of goods and services. So for example, what I'm doing right now, I'm providing services. Are we together, learners? Yes, that is the meaning of money. Thank you so much. Let us continue. Let's continue. Yes, we are going to look at what we call, I want someone to read for me what we are going to look at after knowing the meaning of money. What are we going to look at? Yes, Menora, what are we going to look at? Yes, Menora? Okay, louder, Menora, louder.
Uganda currency.
Very good. We are going to talk about Uganda currency. Uganda is a country where we are living in. So we have the currency that we use in Uganda. When we talk about currency, what do we mean? When I say the word currency, what do I mean? Kizito, do you want to give me the meaning of currency? Because already we know Uganda is our country. Now we are looking at Uganda currency. Now what is currency? Yes, Esther. Yes, Esther and Eunice, can you give us the meaning of currency? Yes, Esther, I'm waiting for your answer. If Esther cannot give us the answer, let me go and pick Birunji. Grant Birunji.
It means shillings.
Oh, that currency means shillings. Very good. It means shillings. Okay,
Currency is the money we use.
Okay, somebody is saying currency is the money we use. Yes, you have the idea about currency. If you say it means shilling, that means you have the idea. If you say currency is the money we use, that means you have the idea. Now I am explaining here. What did I say here? What have I said? I have said currency is the money used by a given country. The money that is used by a given country is called currency. Like for example, we use in Uganda, we have the money that we use. We have what we call Uganda currency. So our Uganda currency is called shilling. Ours is called Uganda shillings. Some other countries also have the name of their currency. Like the name of our Uganda currency is called shilling, just like somebody said currency means shillings. So when we are talking about currency in general, currency is the money used by a given country. Now, when we talk about Uganda, our Uganda currency is called shilling. And in Uganda, we have both the notes and the coins. We have the coins and the notes in Uganda, the currency we have. We have the shillings as our unit. When we are talking about money, if I have 10,000, I will say 10,000 shillings. If I have 200, I will say 200 shilling. So that's the money we are using in Uganda. So when somebody hears that shilling, we'll just know, hey, this money is for Uganda. But remember, some other countries also, they use shillings. That one, when we go to P6, we shall see different countries with the different currencies when we reach P6. But today, let us first learn about our shilling in Uganda.
We can't hear you very well.
Yes, sorry. Let me try to be. Let me try to be a little bit louder. I'm now going to be a little bit louder. Thank you. Thank you. So let's look at this. Let's look at this.
Let's first go back.
If you want to copy, you will copy. We shall send the work as we told you. Yes, can I pick Evelyn Evans? Evelyn Evans, you read for us what we are going to see also. Yes, Evelyn.
Identifying Uganda coins and notes.
Okay, identifying Uganda coins and notes. How I wish we were in the class. We are together. I had my coins. I have my coins. I have my notes, but I will also see how to make you know these coins. But I know some of you, you know. Yeah, we are talking about now. Okay, let me ask someone for assistance. My code, my administrator, Eric, can you hear me well?
We can't hear you well.
You can't hear me well.
Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's continue.
Your
Okay.
network is not good.
Sorry, let me see. My network will be good. Okay, let's continue. So we are going to identify. Eric, you can help me mute. Eric, you can help me mute. Okay. So we are going to look at identifying Uganda coins and notes. Let's first identify the notes that the coins that we use in Uganda. We said our Uganda currency, we use shillings, but our shillings are of two different types. One, we have coins, another one we have notes. Now, let me try to ask some people to give me some of the examples of coins that we have in Uganda. What are these examples of coin? Joy, can you give us one? Joy, just give us one coin that we use. Meanwhile, some can write their coins in the chat. Some can write their coins in the chat. I will be able to read when you write your coin in the chat.
And you put here, you raise your hand.
Yes, Joy.
Just like this.
Joy.
You do.
Okay, so let's. Okay, let us continue. But that's why I told you that let us talk one by one. If you are
Teacher, your network is not clear.
members, if there are people who are able to hear me, that means if there are people who are able to hear me, that means
Your network is okay.
okay. Thank you. I think we just need to restrict these children if that is what they want, because they can't follow the instruction. Children, if you can't follow the instruction, I will not let you talk. Yes, I was checking some of the responses about the coins and notes in the chats. Let me try to read. Salom Apolot has said 500. Yeah, that we have 500 coin. Okay. We have Conrad has said 1,000. That is good. And then Benjamin Kizito has said 100, 200, 500 coins. So that is good. That's good. Your responses are good. Then let me hear from some people like Peter. Peter, can you add us another coin that we have? Peter, unmute and talk.
200.
200. Very good. Now, in the chat, I saw someone, I'm not going to mention the name of that person. I saw someone saying 300. Members, the coin that we are talking about should be a single coin. Do we have 300? Do we have 300? That one whereby you pick and you say this coin is 300. Do we have it? Menora, do we have 300 whereby it is only one and you are saying it's 300? Do we have it? Okay, we don't have it. 300 for you.
Teacher.
For you to, yes, please.
50, 100.
Teacher.
Okay, I will pick you and you talk. I will pick you and you talk. Please just raise up your hand.
There are people who are using 2 accounts. That's why they are
50
bringing that
shillings.
reflection.
Okay, those are enough. Those answers are enough. Let us see whatever you have mentioned.
Excuse me.
Since we are not together, these are the coins that we have in Uganda.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Stop disturbing.
Good morning. I'm a new student here.
Yes,
so can you please tell me which class this is?
This is primary 4 class and we are learning mathematics. Are you in primary 4?
Yeah.
Okay, then you are in the right place. You are in the right class. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue now. Okay, we are identifying the coins. So people, you have already given me. Let me see whether these answers. Menora, which coin have I written? Menora, which coin do you see on my screen?
Shillings 50.
50. Now, when we are
100.
okay, good. Now,
Shillings 100.
but
Shillings
you should.
Shillings 500.
You people stop.
Class, should we end? I will end the lesson now because you can't follow the instruction. I said only talk when you are picked. If not, I'm going to end my lesson and go and do other things. Please, 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 please. Good. So we have, now I was trying to tell you, for you, 50 shilling. You can say 50 shilling. Then you can say 100 shilling. Let me see whether I have a picture of 50 shilling. Let me see whether I have it. Okay, yes, I have that one. 50 shilling is there. Only that I've made it big. But if you see it physically, 50 shilling is just small in size. It's just small in size. It is round, but smaller than all these other coins. I have it with me, but because we are not together, that's why I put it in the picture. Then we also have other coins like 200. We have other coin like 500 shillings. So these are coins that we have. For example, 200 is there. Okay, do we have 500? Yeah, hello, this one I've got the real 500. Somebody even want to remove it from my screen to go and buy ice cream. No, 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 you are not going to remove. Good. We have that 500. I'm just bringing in front and behind. Then we have 200. So these are examples of coin, and there is 1,000 shillings. We have 200 shillings. We have 500 shillings and 1,000 shillings. Now, these other ones which we have not mentioned, for example, we have not mentioned 300. 300 as a coin on its own is not there. For you to get 300, you must have 200 coin and 100 coin. That is for you to get 300. So, and for you to get 600, can someone tell me, I'm going to ask the question, if I want to have 600, will I have it as a single coin or I must have at least 2 coins or more? If I want to get 600, what should I be having? Salom Apollo. Salom Apollo, can you tell me 600? I should have this coin and this coin to make 600. Salom Apollo.
You have what?
If I have, because we don't have 600 as a single coin that you just pick one coin and you say it is 600, it is not there, but there is 600 shilling. So when I want to get 600, which coin should I be having and which coin? Can give
500 and 100.
Very good. You must have 500 shilling and 100 to make 600. So 600 coin on its own is not there. It is a combination of many coins. Thank you. We shall look at that. Okay. We also have let me ask one person. Pius, have you seen the coins that we have so that I move to the next coin? Pius, can you represent the class?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Do you know all of them? Have you ever touched them, Pius? Pius, have you ever used them?
Yes, teacher.
Very good, very good. Let's continue. Okay, then this is the last coin that we have. We have this coin called 1,000 has just come on of recent. I can see around 2012, that's when they brought for us a coin of 1,000. But before, when I was in primary, when I was in secondary, we didn't have a coin of 1,000. They just brought it newly. Coin was just stopping in 500. Then now they brought, so 1,000 as a coin and 1,000 also as a paper. My children, I know you know that, isn't it? Okay, Peter, have you ever seen 1,000 coin? Peter, have you ever seen 1,000? A coin
Yes.
of one, good, very, have you ever used it? Okay,
Yes.
Peter, yeah, Peter has ever used it. I am not going to ask Peter what you have used it for. I'm not going to ask you. So that one, we have seen coins. We have seen examples of coins. Now, there is one child who is going to represent the class to give us these examples of coins. There is one child who is going to represent the class to give us examples of all the coins that we have talked about. Let me see, who is this lucky child? Yes, Joan. I have just picked from my participant. Yes, Joan. Can you tell us all the coins that we have? Let's listen to Joan. Yes, Joan. Begin from the lowest. The lowest is 50 shilling.
Mama.
Yes, Joan.
Mama. You're calling me. Can you please help me?
Oh, help Joan to unmute.
Just say okay.
Yes.
Joan, talk, you're unmute.
Yeah, Joan, you can talk. Okay, I think Joan is. What?
1,000.
Okay.
2,000.
Joan, listen to my question before you talk. I am saying
50
that.
shilling.
Wait, you are not, you listen. Joan, I have just said that on behalf of the class, you are going to tell us the examples of coins that we have. And when you are mentioning it, mention it with the unit. When you say 50, you say 50 shilling. When you say 100, you say 100 shilling. Yes, Joan, you can go ahead. Give the coins only, not the notes.
100 shillings. 200 shillings. 500 shillings.
Okay, those are there. I don't think whether you have completed all the coins. Let me ask somebody to give us the remain. Okay, Opolot, Simon Peter, can you give us the remaining coin that Joan has not said? Simon Peter. Simon Peter, can you give us
500 shillings. 500 shillings.
Okay, that's good. So Joan had mentioned 500 shilling, Joan mentioned 200 shilling, and Joan didn't mention 50 shillings and 1,000 shillings. Those are the coins. So let's look at the notes also. Let's understand the notes. We are going to look at how can we use this money when we are going to buy. How do I get the total money when I have this? We are going to look at all those. Thank you. Yes, let's continue. We have another one that we are going to look at right now. I am requesting someone here to read for me. Eunice, can you read for me?
Examples of Ugandan.
What I have put on your examples of Ugandan notes. These notes are like paper. Some people even call it paper money. The notes are like paper, and some people say paper money. And I know you have. You can ask your dad, if your dad is at home, to give you any paper money that is there at home. You can ask your mom or your sister, elder sister,
So now if they don't
to
have
give
it,
you any paper money that they are. If they don't have it, I will give you by myself on my screen. If they don't have it, I will put for you.
but teacher, how are we going to get
before
it?
you will remove from my
Teacher,
screen.
teacher, we can't.
Okay, you will get it when you answer my questions with the time. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now
Teacher,
listen,
you can't
don't.
pick me.
Me, teacher.
Okay, we are very many children. We are very many. I cannot pick all the 78 to talk. Remember, we have only 1 hour. So please, God is seeing that you wanted to
Teacher,
contribute.
choose me.
Okay, yes, you are excused.
Teacher,
Okay,
choose
can
Juko.
we have Ateta? Ateta, can you give us examples of Uganda notes? Edmond. Edmond. Edmond, can you give us the Uganda currency that is in form of notes, in form of paper? They are not like coins. Okay. Yes.
1,000.
1,000. Now I'm going to pick you from up to
Me,
down.
teacher.
Don't keep quiet now if you want me to pick you. Salom, I'm now starting. Don't put, Salom, give me one. Salom Apolot. Salom, you can unmute and talk.
5,000 shillings.
Good, you can keep quiet. Let's go to Pius. I'm following. You now have to keep quiet and we have to hurry up, Pius.
Yes.
Yeah, give us another one apart from 5,000, another paper money, another notes that you have, that we have in Uganda.
Yes. 50,000 shillings.
50,000.
Good. Then we have Della. Della, can you give us? Della, you can unmute and give. Yes, there is Tabitha who said 70,000 shilling. Tabitha, you said 70,000 shilling.
70,000 shilling.
Let me explain to you.
Let me explain to you.
Who is this one using 2 phones? So if we talk about the notes that we are looking at right now, we are looking at a single paper. For example, let me show you. If you can see my paper on the screen, we are looking at only one like this, not 2, not 3. Now, if you have one paper like this, do you have any money that is 70,000? A single paper or single note like this, which is 70,000. I don't think. We don't have it. So these are the notes that we have in Uganda. We have 1,000 shillings. We have 2,000 shillings. We have, that is 1,000. I hope everybody can see my picture. The picture of 1,000. We have the picture of 2,000. Yes, that is the paper we are talking about. Now, if we get 3,000, just like one like this to be 3,000, is not there because somebody mentioned it, but we can't get it. And somebody here is using, let me see this person. Please, Evelyn Evan. Evelyn Evan, I'm going to tell you the symbols for shilling. We don't use that symbol that you have used. That is the symbol for dollars. Okay, let's look at another one. Another one, we have 5,000 shilling. We have 5,000 shilling. These are the notes that we have. We have 5,000 and that is how 5,000 looks like. That's how 5,000 looks like. We have 10,000 shilling. That is how 10,000 shillings look like. Please.
20 shillings.
Okay, 20,000 shilling. We have 20,000 shilling.
50,000 shillings.
50,000 shilling. As per now, as per now in Uganda, these are the notes that we have. We don't have, yes, we don't have 60,000 shilling as one single note. If you want 60,000 shilling, you must have maybe 50 plus 10,000. You must have maybe 50 plus 5,000 plus 5,000 to form 60. So these are the notes that we are having in Uganda. The highest notes, single note that we have in Uganda, the highest is 50,000 shilling. So that is, those are the notes that we are having in Uganda. So now, this is now where we are going to do a bit of calculation. This is now where we are going to do a bit of calculation. There we were all knowing, the money that we have, like the coins that we have. We were all knowing them. Now, yes, since we have already known them, now we are going to look at what we call finding the amount of money given the number of coins and notes. Finding the amount of money given the number of notes and coins. So I want also Angel to read what I have read. Angel, can you read that subheading? Sorry, Angel. Angel, can you read that subheading?
Finding the amount of money given number of coins and notes.
Given number of coins and notes. Good. That is what we are going to look at. And this is where it will ask you to be very, very attentive. How I wish you can give me time to explain.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher. Who's that making that?
I hear whistle.
That is P4 class. P4, we are behaving like we are in baby class. That is very bad. That is very bad. We are not in baby class. We are in primary 4. Okay, let's continue.
You guys stop
and
shouting.
Remember,
the teacher is teaching.
I think my co-teacher Eric, you can do the needful. Good. So let's continue. Eric, I think it is better you do the needful. Let them listen to my explanation, and then I can ask them to contribute later. So we are going to look at finding the amount of money given the number of coins and notes. For example, I can say I have 2 coins of 200 shillings. I have 2 coins of 200 shillings. So how much do I have in total? That's what we are looking at. That's what we are going to look at. And this one, you can use it at home. You can do it practically at home. It is used in our daily lives, because your mom can send you to buy something, and it's going to give you 2 coins, maybe of 500 shillings. Then your mom will ask you, how much have I given you? Since now we are going to learn, you should be able to tell your mother, you have given me this money. You should be able to tell your brother, you have given me this money, if we pay attention. So let me continue and see. So how do I find this amount of money when I have the number of coins and I have the number of notes? How do I find it? So this is how I can get it. If I have the number of coins and notes, I will add, or I'm going to multiply to find the total amount of money I have. Or what I have said in general is, we can add or multiply to find the total amount of money we have. Let's look at example. In our example 1, they are saying, in our example 1, they are saying, I have 3 coins of 500 shillings. I have 3 coins of 500 shillings. So this question means that you have 3 coins, 1, 2, 3. But those 3 coins, all of them, they are 500 shillings. Now they are asking, how much money do I have in total? Or how much money do I have altogether? That's what we are looking at, finding the amount of money when they have given me the number of coins. So my mother, my dad has given me 3 coins of 500 shillings. Now daddy asked me, Tony, how much have I given you all together? Tony does not know. Okay, Tony will say, oh, there are 3 coins. Daddy, you have given me 3 coins. Some daddy will just slap you. Is 3 coins the amount of money? So that is, you should now, after this lesson, you should be able to explain to your dad that you have given me this money. You have given me this money. You have given me this much. Then how do I find it? Please, I'm going to pick you. Because once I pick you, I'm going to encourage chorus. I'm going to encourage noise. You have made me annoyed. So then my first question was, how can I get now the total amount of money that I have in these 3 coins? How can I get it? There I can ask you. I'm reading the question, then I ask you a question of how. You must understand. I have 3 coins of 500 shillings. How much money do I have? So how will I get the total amount of money that I have? How am I going to get the total amount of money that I have? Juko Stephen, how am I going to get this total amount of money that I have? Juko Stephen? Yes, Juko. Yes, Eric, you can unmute Juko, yes.
I have to add.
You have to add. Very good, Juko. You can add. So, Juko, I'm still with you. I'm still with you. You have to add. What are you going to add? Tell us what you are going to add.
I have to add shillings 500 plus shillings 500 plus shillings 500.
Very good, very good. That's what we said before. We said we can add or we can multiply. Now, Juko has decided to add, and he's saying he's going to add 500 shilling plus 500 shilling plus 500 shilling, and then you will get the total amount of money. Let me add that as Juko has said. Let me add it, okay? I'm adding as Juko has said. We can add 3 coins of 500. So let's add 500 plus 500. So you can as well multiply. Okay. So when we add, Juko, do you see when we add? Do you see when we add what has brought us to?
Yes.
How much money is that in total? How much money is that?
Shillings 1,500.
Very good. So that means I have 1,500 shillings. That's the money I have in total. So we have added. As well, you can multiply. As well, you can do what? You can multiply. You can as well multiply. You can see here. Here where I said we can multiply. Then I said 500 shillings times 3 times the number of coins. So then we shall start multiplying 5.
Yes, Tony. Okay, sorry the teacher has left, but he's joining. Tony. Tony. Menora, do you hear me? Hello?
Yes.
Minora, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Chatoni went off, but I'll share this and we'll continue from where he was. Okay. So I'll be sharing my screen. Okay. Okay, can you all hear my screen? See my screen?
Yes.
Okay, I shall continue from there. Teacher Erica, my co-teacher, to Teacher Tony. Okay, sorry about that. Class, I'll be sharing my screen. Teacher Tony got a network glitch and he's out. He's trying to fix his gadget. Can you all hear me? I need some feedback from some of you. Tony,
Mute me.
Tony.
You had blocked me. Okay, thank you.
Yes, you are calling and the phone is using the
Teacher,
same
I'm
session.
from coming back.
Sorry. Okay, so have you given me the power?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Let's start.
Welcome back, teacher. We were.
Yes, thank you for being patient.
Welcome back.
I'm starting, teacher.
Thank you.
Welcome back, teacher. And come back.
Okay.
Hey, Andy. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Okay. Thank you, learners.
Welcome back, teacher.
Welcome
Okay,
back, teacher.
Eric, I think you can do the. Okay, thank you. So that's why I am saying that let us not interfere with the lessons. Let's try to behave in the lessons so that we can catch up very fast to avoid this kind of interference. So please, I can see some people are writing on my screen, but I think I'm going to manage you. Okay, good. Now, we had already looked at example 1, and Juku had explained to us very well that we can add or multiplying, and then we were multiplying. But I think multiplying, we are going to use another board as I'm going to multiply. Let's look at number 2. In number 2, I'm going to pick one of my children to read for me. Precious, can you read for us number 2? Or Abel? Precious or Abel, read for us number 2. Precious, you can unmute. Okay, Eric, you can unmute Precious, then read for us number 2.
It's hard for them to unmute.
Okay, yes, I'm going to ask someone to unmute for her.
Teacher, can I?
Yes. Okay.
Can we?
Excuse me, teacher. I'm
Can I
coming back now.
Teacher.
Okay, so the next question is.
Excuse me, teacher. I'm from coming back.
Okay, well, even me, I'm from coming back. Now let us continue. Let us continue. Thank you for being
back.
Thank you for being. Eric, you can do the needful.
Stop shouting. Stop shouting.
Okay, so I think, Michael, please, in case of you hear such things, please, there is no way I can control it because every child wants to talk. They feel happy when they are talking. So let me continue with this. They are saying that Teddy has 4 notes of 20,000 shilling. Teddy has 4 notes of 20,000 shilling. How much does Teddy have? That's the question. How much does Teddy have? Now, I want you quietly to work out this number. Tell me how much money is Teddy having. From you there, tell me how much money is Teddy having. You first work out, then you tell me the answer. And you will also tell me how you have got the answer. You will also tell me how you have got the answer. Okay. Yes, are we working out? Are we working out? Good. So I think some people have already got the answer. Now let me start finding out. We shall also do it together after hearing different answers. After getting different answers from you, we shall work out together. Good. Let me see. Let me start with Joseph Kalibala. Joseph Kaliba. Joseph Kaliba, can you give me the answer you have got? Yes, Eric, you can unmute Joseph Kaliba. Yes, Eric, unmute Joseph Caliber.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Is unmute and talk.
Yes.
80,000.
80,000 what?
shillings.
80,000 shillings. Yes, don't forget that we are talking about shillings. So there must be that shillings. There must be that shilling. So Eric, you can restrict. There must be that shillings if we are talking about money in Uganda. We have our unit will always be shillings, 80,000 shillings. So let's go and find out how, how did Joseph got 80,000 shilling? Let's go and find out. Good. Now we are going to find out. Let me first stop sharing this and we go and find out from here. Now, members, I want you to look at my screen, what I am going to do. I'm going to work out this together with you, but for you, just keep quiet and listen. Maybe you will again unmute Joseph to explain to me how he has got 80,000. Yes, Eric, you can unmute Joseph to explain to me how he has got 80,000. Or I can pick Deborah. Deborah, can you tell me how Joseph has got 80,000? Yes, Eric, you can unmute Deborah. The name is just Deborah. Okay, let me try. Yes, Deborah, you can talk.
By multiplying 20,000 times 4.
Multiplying 20,000 times 4. Very good. That is one way of getting that 80,000. Let's do it like the way you have said. They told us that we have 4, let me try to write. We have 4 notes. I'm writing 4 notes. Aha, don't laugh at my handwriting. I have 4 notes. 4 notes of, I have 4 notes of 20. Now this symbol SH is the symbol we are going to be using for money. When we are saying 20,000 shilling, we shall use SH. That is shillings in short form. We say SH, then I write here my 20. Here they are saying 20. Let me first write my 20. That is 20. Then 1,000. When we talk of 20,000, then I have to add 3 zeros to represent that 20,000. So I'm adding here 3 zeros. Very good. Now they are saying you have 4 notes of this 20,000. You have already told me that you have 80. Then Deborah said that we are supposed to multiply. So let's multiply. We are going to multiply like this. We shall say, okay, if you want to use that 1 note equals to 20,000 shilling, that is okay. I can say, okay, 1 note, only 1 note like this. Only 1 note like this is equals to, only 1 note is equals to 20,000 shilling. Please don't forget to write the unit because we are talking about money. We should write this unit. If we don't write the unit, I will mark you wrong because you will be meaning goats, you will be meaning cows if you don't write the unit. But if you are meaning money, you must write that 20,000 shilling. Then also, for you to separate thousands, you can even count. You can even count 1, 2, 3, and you put a comma here to represent 20,000 shilling. Even here, you can count 1, 2, 3, and you put a comma here. Good. Then now they are saying 1 note is equals to 20,000 shilling, but you have 4 notes. So what about now 4 notes? 4 notes will give us, 4 notes is going to be equals to, now we are working out for 4 notes. We are working out for 4 notes. 4 notes is equals to, we multiply. That's what Deborah has said, that we multiply 20,000 shilling here 20,000 shilling, here we multiply 20,000 shilling by 4. That is what Deborah said. Now, where have I written 4? I have written 4 under the place value of ones. I started under the place value of ones. Even when we are multiplying, we shall begin with the ones place value. This one here, this one here, this place value here is what we are talking about. So let's continue. Now, I am going to again request, there is somebody I'm going to multiply with. There is somebody I'm picking. If you want to multiply with me, please put up your hands. If you want to multiply with me, okay, the first person to put up the hands, I'm going to pick. Okay, let me go with the Gloria. Let me go with Gloria. Gloria, let's multiply this together. Okay. Okay, now, Gloria, I'm going to start. Gloria, I'm going to start. You see my 20,000 times 4?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Now let's go in order. Now this is 4. This 4, should I start multiplying 4 times 2? I multiply 4 times 2, Gloria.
No.
Okay, where should I start multiplying from?
From 1.
From 1. So that means it will be 4 times what?
0.
4 times 0. Good. 4 times 0, what do you get?
0.
Very good. Because you have nothing. You are multiplying it by 4. It is the same as 0. Good. Continue. Do we have 4 times 0 again?
Yes, teacher.
What do we get?
0.
Also, we get 0. But remember also to put under that place value. We are now under place value of tens, isn't it?
Yes.
I don't want to write those place values on top. We have an idea about it. We have finished to learn about it in our first term. Okay, let's go again. 4 times 0, what do I get?
0.
We are now under hundreds. We go under thousands. 4 times 0, what do we get?
0.
0. Here I get 0. Then now, here I was not repeating because they are the same. Now we have 4 times what?
2.
Gloria, 4 times what? 4 times 2. Do you want me to draw 4 balls here and I count 2? Or you can tell me 4 times 2 what? 4 times 2, what do we get?
8.
We get here 8. So then I can count 1, 2, 3. I can even put a comma here to show that I have there 80,000. Because we are talking about shilling, then you put here what? You put here shilling. Have you seen it, Gloria, on behalf of your friends?
Yes, teacher.
Good. Thank you so much for participating, Gloria. Good. Now, that is basically how you can get the amount of money that Teddy has. So in total, how much money is Teddy having, Gloria? Yes. So in total, she is having 80,000 shillings. That's how we get it. We can add. Somebody can say, we can add. Let me wrap the multiplication. Here we have multiplied. How about when I add it? Just give me 5 minutes because network made us to go off. Just 5 minutes and we wind up. 5 minutes and we wind up. Somebody also we said, if we don't want to multiply, we can add. Are we together? Yes. If we don't want to multiply, we can add, but we shall add 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 4 of them. And you have to arrange them properly. You can write here 20,000 shilling. I'm writing 20,000 shilling. Please let me just do this for those who may use addition. That is 1, but there are 4 of them. Let me add another one. Again, we have here 20,000. Sorry, let me wrap that. Okay, we have there 20,000 shilling. Yes. Please, this one also now, 20,000 is easy to put under the place value. You must make sure you follow that place value. Good. How many notes have I written so far? Yes, there is Darlene. Darlene, how many notes have I written so far? Yes. Eric, you can unmute Darlene to tell me how many notes have we written so far? Good. Okay, Eric, we can't hear from Darlene. Darlene, how many notes have we written? So
she's just not talking.
Okay, he's not talking. Oh, I can give opportunity. Can give opportunity to another person. Okay, Alton Mark, Agaba. How many notes have I written so far? Yes, Eric, you can unmute Alton Mark, Agaba, or Agaba Alton Mark. Yes, Agaba, how many notes have I written so far? Oh, I have written so far 2 notes of 20,000. Then let me continue because they said 4. So I continue to write the third one. The third one also is 20,000. The third one also is 20,000. And the last one, because they said there are 4, the last one is also 20,000. So I want to get the total amount of money that Teddy has all together. This is how you can get. At first, those who did it at first, they multiplied. I have also used another method of adding. Since I'm adding, then I must write a plus sign. You write there plus sign to show that you are adding. This sign that I've written on the left there, that sign shows that we are adding. Now we begin adding. Okay, so we are going to add. Now I'm going to request again one child from my class to read for me. I can see so many hands up, but let me go down and pick from down. There are these ones who are just down here. This one is not connected. Rina is not connected. The audio is not connected for Rina. Chris is not connected. Let me pick another person. Okay, who is this person that I'm looking for? I'm seeing again, they have not renamed there. They have not renamed. Phillips Ojok. Phillips Ojok. Can we add together? Okay, you listen to me. Now we are adding. Where do I start adding from? Should I start adding from these 2?
Yes.
Philip, can I start adding from 2 here? Or we start from 0 under ones?
Start from 0.
Under ones, very good. So when we are adding,
0.
Okay, we start under ones. So I'm only with the Phillips. Phillips, now let's add 0 plus 0. What do you get? Nothing plus nothing. 0. Okay.
0.
Again 0 plus 0.
0.
Again 0 plus 0.
0.
0.
Yes, you realize that under ones we have 0. Under ones we have 0. Okay, under tens now. Phillips, are you there? We are going under tens. Under tens also we have 0 plus 0.
0.
Okay, again 0 plus 0.
0.
Again 0 plus 0.
0.
Good. There the answer also is 0. Phillips, let's go. 0 plus 0.
0.
Again 0 plus 0.
0.
Again 0 plus 0.
0.
Very good. I write it there. Under, we are now which place value? Which place value are we under? We are going under thousands. Okay, under thousands. Good. Under thousands, we have also 0 plus 0.
0.
Then 0 plus 0.
0.
Okay, there also we have 0. Now, let's go under another place value that is 10,000. 10,000, we have 2 plus 2. I have 2 plus 2. 2. 2 plus 2, somebody has said 4. Very good. Sorry, I get here 4.
4.
Yes, if I get 4, then 4 plus 2.
6.
4 plus 2, I get 6. And then 6 plus 2, what do I get?
8.
8. In other words, you can even count your, stick. You can use the stick to count. You can use the stick to count when you want to add properly. The first one is 2. I can say 1, 2. The second one is 2. Again, I said 1, 2. The third one is 2. Again, I say 1, 2. The fourth one is 2. Again, I say 1, 2. Then you can count all these sticks together. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 8. That is what you have as 80,000. Then you don't forget to write the word shilling, the symbol shilling. This is how you can get the total amount of money when you are given the number of coins or notes. Otherwise, thank you so much. Let's see the next thing. I think we are good to go. The next question may be your trial question, which you can try from home. Next question will be your trial question, which you can try from home. Good. Okay, let me see it. Where is it? I see many hands up, but let's continue. So we had finished for Teddy. This is where Teddy is. Good. Good. So I want to put for you. Good. So we had finished for Teddy and somebody got for us 80,000. This is what we have been working out there. Now we have this group work, but now I'm requesting you that this group work, you are going to do it from your home. You will do it from your home there. Let me see the question. This is the question. Please capture this question very well and discuss it. Then you will mark with your friend. This is basically where we are going to stop. Good. Let me ask someone to read that question as we wind up. Let me ask someone to read that question as we wind up. Yes, Rina, now I can see your audio is there. Okay, Eric, can you unmute Rina to unmute Rina? Yes, Rina, read the question as others are writing. Rina, please. Oh, Rina is delaying to read the question and time is against us. We can pick someone. Chris, Valentine. Valentine, Chris has not connected. The audio is not hearing us. We shall not hear also. Oh,
How much money is it together, or if one has 4 coins of shillings 20 and 2 coins of 10?
This is not shilling 20. This is 200 shilling. Yes, can you say 200 shillings?
200 shillings.
Yes, that how much money is hit altogether if one has 4 coins of 200 shilling and 2 coins of 100 shilling. Please, can you do that? Can you do that work? Are you doing the work?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, do the work and send me the answer in the chat and we end there. Do the work, send me the answer in the chat and we end there.
Yes.
Somebody is saying 1K. What is 1K?
It's 1,000 shillings.
Okay, 1,000. Let me read from the chat. If somebody has said, let me read it there. No one has said answer yet. Somebody is saying
1,000 shillings.
Okay, now let me pick you. Let me, Yvonne, can I have Yvonne or Angel? Angel,
Yeah, it's
Angel, what have you got?
I have not understood.
You have not understood that question, eh?
Yes.
Okay, let me go and work out together with you. That will be our last part now. Let me stop sharing this. Just master 4 coins of 200 and 2 coins of 100 shilling. So let me go back. Yes, we are now going back to our chalkboard or whiteboard. Now, they are saying that we have, now look here, 4 coins. This is where we are going to wind up. 4 coins. 4 coins, sorry, 4 coins of 200. Please, those who have not understood the question, you can follow here properly. 4 coins of 200 shillings.
Yes.
4 coins of 200 shillings. And another one they said, Eric, can you do the needful? Yes, so we can continue. Someone was using 2 phones, learning with 2 gadgets in the same class. So we have 2 coins. That is what the question is saying. 2 coins of 100 shilling. Now, the question is very clear. I want you to get me, and this is where we are going to end. Otherwise, the network also interfered with our lessons, but this is where we are going to end. Now, follow me properly. They are saying that how much money is it altogether? If one has 4 coins, someone has 4 coins of 200 and also 2 coins of 100. So what you can do, you can as well add. That's what we have said. We can add 200, 4 of them, 2 of them. You can still get the same answer. Or first find out how much money is in 4 coins of 200. Then how much money is in 2 coins of 100. Let us first find out that. So here we can say, okay, I have 200 shilling. I have 200 shilling. Class, I'm working out to find the amount of money that I have altogether. Now, in this case, I'm going to multiply by 4. That is the first one, this one. I'm still getting the amount of money of this one, the one I have put in this. So you multiply it by 4. Yes, we multiply it by 4. Good. So here we shall have 4 times 0. Already we have looked at that. We shall get 0. Then also we have 4 times 0. Also we shall get 0. Then we have 4 times 2. Yes, can I have someone to give me 4 times 2? I've forgotten. Angel, you give me 4 times 2. Angel, Sache, give me 4 times 2. What answer do I get? Okay, I know you may not be able to unmute. There I get 8. So 4 coins of 200 shilling gives me 800. That is 1. Now let me go and work out this one also. 2 coins of 100 shilling. So I have here 100 shilling. I'm going to multiply it by 2 because there are 2 of them. Hey, that person does not want me to talk maybe. So I'm going to multiply this by 2 because there are 2 coins. And I see how much will I get if I have 2 coins of 100 shilling. So you start 2 times 0, I get here 0. Again, 2 times 0, I also get here 0. Then 2 times 1, I get here 2. Any number you multiply by 1 give you that number. So here we have 200 shilling. Now, in this case, 4 coins has given us 800. Then 2 coins of 100 has given us 200, but they want the total amount altogether. So what will be our total now? Now here I am saying my total is going to be, so total means I can add. Total here means I can add. So I can pick my 800 from 4 coins. I pick my 800 from 4 coins. Then I add this 200 from 2 coins of 100. I add this 200 to it, 200 shilling to it. Then I get my total amount of money that I have. So let me add. Okay, I have here 0 plus 0, I get 0. Also, I have here 0 plus 0, I get 0. Then here I have 8 plus 2. Somebody can count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to add this 2 to it. 1, 2. So all together, what will I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So all together, I will get here 10. Then I come and write here 0 first, because we cannot write 2 digits under 1 place value. So I write 0 first, and then I take 1 beside here.
Cannot get lower.
So here we have 1,000 shilling. So if you have 4 coins of 200 and you have 2 coins of 100, you will you can first of all get the number of, the amount of money of 4 coins, then get the amount of money of 2 coins, then you come and add it all together. So from 4 coins of 200, we have got 800. Then from 2 coins of 100, we have got 200. So all together, we have 1,000 shilling. So that is basically how you can answer that question. Thank you so much. Otherwise, this is where we are going to end. And I have some work for you. Let me see whether the work can be displayed. Okay. I think Eric can take a screenshot, and then we give them this work later, or we can send to their WhatsApp group. This is where we are going to end, my children. Thank you so much. Though we are interrupted just once with by internet. So Eric, I think, can hand over. Thank you, children. Thank you for being good learners.
Yeah. Is there in the group, and they can unmute and say bye to each other.
Okay, my learners, you can unmute and say bye. We have already put the work in our group.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher. Bye, bye. Teacher for teaching us. May God bless you. Teacher for teaching us.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Teacher, how are you? Bye, everyone. Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher. That's good work. Yeah, bye, teacher.
Bye. Bye, teacher. That was nice one.
Bye.
If you say bye and leave the class.
Bye. Bye, teacher.
Angela, you can.
Bye. Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.